Today, we'll walk through connecting the Svantek SV803 to a solar panel for continuous power. First, ensure your solar panel is securely mounted. Then, take the solar cable and connect one end to the external power port on the SV803. Line up the white dot on the cable with the white dot on the connector, push it in, and tighten the blue ring clockwise to secure it. Next, attach the other end of the cable to your solar panel using the MC4 connectors. Match the positive and negative ends, connecting male to female until they click into place firmly. Once everything is connected, power on the station by pressing and holding both the modem button and the icon button until the status light turns on. And that's it. Your SV803 is now running on solar power. Happy monitoring.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.